morning, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here, and if you are, make sure you hit that subscribe button with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos from me. So we are getting ready to go to a new place to go pick out some Christmas ornaments. We're starting one of our new traditions that I am super duper excited for. We are cooking out on the grill today and we are making a Christmas fort. So make sure you watch to the end to see all of the fun festivities of this video, and let's get to it. So yeah, I'm doing this thing where I'm trying to make sure that my intro is not like 5 minutes long of editing. So yeah, I felt like that was pretty short and sweet. I am pretty much ready. I got my phone an extra battery just in case the camera dies today, and I just need to grab my purse. I haven't really been carrying my purse actually, but I also, when I'm out like and about, or if we're like going away, I like to carry my little backpack purse. So let me just, you know, go put the necessary items in there and then we can roll out.
Hey, what are you getting?
Hey, fam.
No, what did you get?
Got your donut, dude?
I've been waiting for this for my whole life.
Your whole life you've been waiting for that donut. Hey guys, this is the first time I'm trying this. I hope it's good. I don't want to go clean out your car today. I just feel like I have a whole bunch of things to do. I have so much to do today and there's just not enough time. Like, I already see me going to bed at like 12.
It's funny in the camera.
And I've been up since 6.
On the camera, it looks like I'm one of those like people in the crime shows that don't want to be shown their identity. Thank you.
Pretty good. All right, we are on our way to. I keep wanting to call it a tree farm. It's not a tree farm, is it?
Valley View Farm.
Valley View Farm. We have arrived and this place looks pretty cool. I'm excited. Look at all those Christmas trees.
It's amazing.
I've never had a real Christmas tree before.
Look at that line to get in.
That's a lot of people.
Look at these socially distanced Christmas trees. Alright, we're walking in for the first time. We're gonna skip all of this stuff over here because we're kind of on a time crunch. Whoa! This is so cool!
Hey, listen to me. You get one ornament, so you start looking. Make sure you
Look at these sushi ones, Dave. Okay, you guys know this is catching my attention. All of the Disney. That is so cool. Yes, I do wish we had more time here. That's really cool though. Oh, look at the Grinch.
You want to be on my phone?
Look.
Hey, Santa!
That is cool. Got little amusement park rides. The Empire State Building.
You can stand on that ladder if you want, but be really careful.
They got Harry Potter.
You said Harry Potter.
Oh yeah, it's a whole like.
And the flying car with the tree and the dragon on top of that. You are on the ladder. Hold on, okay?
Oh, look. They got Superman up there in the...
Metropolis. You want to stand on this ladder instead so you can see that one? This one's shorter, okay? So you gotta be more careful. Alright? Watch where your feet are compared to the steps. Maybe it's an animal, okay?
That's cool, Bob? Yeah?
Nutcrackers, right?
Yeah.
The bus is there. So collection.
Look at all the beach decor.
You stay with us.
I just want to see the nutcracker.
Come on, Bob. We're gonna swing back around.
The
This
dead
is
end
the
over here
this is
anyway.
the Maryland section.
You didn't go all the way down.
See, look, this is the kind of ribbon we probably should have, well, I probably should have gotten for the tree. Babe,
Okay.
like this kind is what I
That's
needed.
the kind I wanted. You were over here like,
First
I
of
want
all,
something huge.
you didn't even,
You got bow ribbon. That's what you got. These are pretty cool.
yeah,
What are these?
they're lights.
Oh, what did he do?
They light up.
Maybe next year we'll come here like when it first opens or something.
Yeah.
And then get something for outdoors. And then we'll have our ornaments on the tree earlier. The birds. These are what my dad
I
would
was gonna say.
He's
That's
got a whole
cool.
bird tree.
Are those the feathers he told me to?
Okay, I'm looking for the Disney ornaments. I haven't seen them yet. Come on, bud.
I love nutcrackers.
You do.
Ow!
Yeah?
I don't want to touch them.
Yeah, don't touch the elves or they're gonna lose their magic. Careful, dude. Alright, I haven't seen Disney stuff yet, but these ornaments are really pretty. This is beautiful. And the camera is not giving it any justice. Excuse me.
Ew, don't smell these. These smell like the Grinch.
Oh. What, do you want to do your room in the Grinch theme?
I want it to be in DC Universe theme. He has the Dr. Seuss book.
Yeah, he's getting ready to read that book, How the Grinch Stole Christmas.
But he is the Grinch.
Okay, so do you want that one?
I want this one.
You don't want
All
Paw
right.
Patrol or Peppa Pig or anything like that?
Mommy said Grinch.
DJ, what was your favorite part about the place we just went to?
The houses with the Grinch.
Yeah.
The town will have the Grinch's house in it.
All the little Christmas villages?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
And we saw the Grinch.
Mm-hmm.
We saw his cave. Nobody goes in his cave.
Yep. So that was pretty cool. Somehow the battery I brought with me to like swap out was dead. So it's blinking at me. So I will see you guys when we get home. Alright, we are back home. Alright, so we came home to a little present. We got an ornament from our realty company. It says Home Sweet Home. After we just got the ornament from the farm place. Where should we put it?
We have actually 3 ornaments now at home.
It's a special year. That's cool though, I like that. Let's see. I need a good spot for it. What about right here? Perfect. And we got our other ornament. So this was the other one that we got as soon as it focuses. Hocus pocus, everybody focus. There we go. It says new home. Oh, babe, look, wait. Did you notice it has like those color lights on it? It's the same kind of lights we just put outside.
Oh.
Ironic.
Irony.
So I have that little marker stuff. I'm going to try to personalize it for us.
You updating your pictures. Well, you got a big head in this picture.
Talking about me. I had to do it for Vlogmas. Okay, so I am trying to figure out if I want to take a nap or if I should just drink some coffee and do my to-do list. I have no idea, but I'm super tired. So I don't know what I should do, but I guess I'll just let you know in the next clip. Today's vlog was more supposed to be about the fort anyways, so I will probably see you guys later. I do have a lot of stuff I need to get done, so whether I take a nap or not, I will see you later. Well, I have risen. Decent nap. I do feel better. My hair is kind of crazy. It's fine. I love that the ends are curled, so whatever, we're gonna roll with it. I just need to put a headband on or something and turn this fan off because it is a little chilly. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get some things done. I'm gonna try to decorate this room and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Hopefully I have time to put up DJ's tree, at least put the tree up. I just feel so behind because I was supposed to have done all this stuff like weeks ago and now I'm just now getting to it. So I will let you know when things are done, and I'm sure my blankets and sheets and stuff are out of the dryer, so I can go pull those back up here and put them on the bed and kind of do like a little, you know, what I think I'm going to end up doing is just putting this into like, when I decorate, into a separate video. I will not show you guys what things look like in this video, so there you go.